Hey everybody, it's Neil, and you can't see down here, maybe you can, I don't know. I have this Lux Mod black chair. I'm gonna aim you guys down a bit so you can see. I'm gonna try to assemble this here and we'll see how it goes. These are bar stools that I got for my new apartment. So we are gonna use the knife and open up the box. Let's see if I can open up the box without opening up my legs. Okay. There we go. Cut myself. Okay. So in here we have, oh, I got white. Oh no, I didn't. I got black. I thought I got black. Okay. So this is a bar stool, and here's some of the tools to put it together. Let's just take this out here. What is this? Here's my assembly instructions. It's in one piece. I like the way they put it in a little plastic cover, so it's good. We have our assembly gloves so we can be proper. And then we have more pieces and parts. Oh, I guess it was a single bar stool. Okay, so here we go. I didn't even remember what I got. And this is, ooh, this is nice. It's like a velvet kind of bar stool here. And I think that's it. Is there anything? Oh, no, there's more. And then we have, so this is the seat. One sec. Let me put this down. That'll go there. And then we have, this is going to be the base on the bottom. So that's what's going to go on the bottom. So let's open this up and we'll see all the different pieces. I knew I was going to stab myself at some point. There we go. So this is the bottom, so that's what that's going to. Okay, so here we are. The thing is done. Let's see how it works. So I can ride it down and ride it up. So that's it. It's kind of comfortable. I mean, it's got a hard base. So I feel like a hard sitting stool that's going to be nice and solid. This is it. I mean, it feels ridiculously solid. And you can go up to the top. And then you have your place to put your feet. I don't know if you can see that little loop down there. So my feet can go on there as I'm sitting on it. It's got really great stability. It's not going anywhere. So I like this. It's a good looking stool. That's what it looks like there for the whole thing of it. So very nice. Thumbs up from me.